Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore the food and beverage POS screen in SARA POS. This screen is designed for restaurants, cafes, hotels, and other food service businesses. Before you can access this screen, you need to create an account, register your store, and complete the initial setup. You also need to configure the basic settings and create your products and categories. I have already covered all of these steps in the beginner series videos. If you haven't watched them yet, I strongly recommend watching the complete beginner series first. It explains how to create an account, register your store, set up your billing terminal, and configure the essential settings. Once those steps are completed, you'll be able to access this screen. Now, let's take a look at the available options and features. At the top of the screen, you can see the SARA POS logo. Next to it, there is a green blinking indicator. This shows that your device is connected to the internet. If the internet connection is lost, the indicator will turn red. However, billing will continue without interruption because SARA POS supports offline operation. Even when there is no internet connection, you can continue creating bills and processing sales normally. Next, we have the notification section. Any important alerts or system notifications will appear here. Below that, you can see the product categories. These help you quickly filter and browse products based on their category. The products you have created will be displayed here. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the action bar. The tables option allows you to view and manage your restaurant tables. The KOT orders section displays kitchen order tickets. From here, you can edit orders, delete orders if necessary, and proceed with billing and payment processing. The hold orders section displays all orders that have been temporarily placed on hold, allowing you to resume them later. The returns section is used to process product returns and refunds. Next, we have the booking orders section. All customer bookings and pre-orders can be managed from here. The expenses and income section allows you to record business expenses and additional income entries directly from the POS terminal. The admin panel button provides quick access to administrative functions and settings. You can also access the currently logged in user's profile from here. This is where you can change the user's password, PIN code, and other account-related settings. Shift management is also handled here. If a cashier has opened a shift, they can close the shift from this section when their work is completed. On the right side of the screen, you'll find the shopping cart area. Any products added during the billing process will appear here automatically. The cart displays at the bottom of the cart section. You can see the subtotal, discount, cashier discount, service charge, and the final total amount. Below that, you will find two order options, booking order and KOT order. Let's first understand the difference between these two options. A KOT order, kitchen order ticket, is used when the customer is already at your restaurant, either dining in or waiting for a takeaway order. In this case, the cashier adds the items to the cart, selects KOT order, and then proceeds with billing and payment. A booking order, on the other hand, is used when a customer places an order in advance. For example, a customer may call the restaurant and request food for pickup at a specific time or on a specific date. Those orders should be created as booking orders. Similarly, if a customer visits the restaurant and places an advance order for a later time or another day, that order should also be entered as a booking order. That's the main difference between booking orders and KOT orders. Now let's see how to create an order.